Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best plants for fence privacy. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at www.seedlingsquad.com. The website link is also in the description, so be sure to check it out. So, let's get started. First, we have bamboo. Bamboo remains an excellent choice for creating a lush and tropical privacy screen. It's rapid growth and tall. Slender stalks can reach impressive heights quickly, providing excellent coverage. Bamboo grows densely, effectively blocking views and noise, making it ideal for privacy. It thrives in full sun to partial shade, making it suitable for larger gardens or as a backdrop to other plants. Care tip: water regularly, especially during dry spells, and choose clumping varieties to control spreading. Up next, we have boxwood. These plants are versatile evergreens that can be shaped into formal hedges or left in their natural form. They provide a dense, lush appearance perfect for privacy. Their thick foliage creates a solid barrier, effectively blocking views while adding structure to the landscape. Boxwoods thrive in full sun to partial shade and can be used as low hedges or taller screens along fences. Care tips: regular watering, pruning in late winter, and fertilizing in spring. For our third plant, we have Forsythia. Forsythia is a deciduous shrub known for its vibrant yellow blooms in early spring. Its dense growth habit makes it a great choice for seasonal privacy. While not evergreen, Forsythia grows quickly and thickly, providing privacy during the growing season. It thrives in full sun, making it ideal for borders or as a backdrop to other flowering plants. Care tip: regular watering during dry spells and pruning after flowering. Up next, we have Arborvitae. Arborvitae is a classic choice for creating a privacy screen. This evergreen tree features dense, soft foliage that grows in a pyramidal shape, making it perfect for tall hedges. It provides a lush green backdrop year-round. Its thick, evergreen foliage offers excellent coverage, effectively blocking views from neighbors and creating a serene outdoor space. It grows steadily, allowing for quick establishment as a privacy barrier. Ideal for full sun locations, Arborvitae thrives along property lines, providing a natural fence. Care tips: water regularly, especially during dry spells. Fertilize in spring with a balanced fertilizer, and prune to maintain shape and remove any dead or damaged branches. We also have holly. Holly is a classic evergreen shrub known for its spiky leaves and bright red berries. It offers year-round interest and can be shaped into a dense privacy hedge. Its thick foliage provides excellent coverage, while the berries attract birds, adding life to your garden and enhancing privacy. Best in full sun to partial shade. It can be used along fences or as standalone specimens for added privacy. Care tips: water regularly, especially in dry periods, prune to maintain shape and remove any dead or damaged branches, and fertilize in spring with a balanced fertilizer. Finally, we have oleander. Oleander is a hardy, evergreen shrub known for its beautiful, showy flowers that bloom in various colors, including pink, white, and yellow. This plant is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also serves as an effective privacy screen due to its dense foliage. Oleander grows quickly and can reach substantial heights, making it ideal for creating a tall barrier that blocks views and noise. It thrives in full sun, making it perfect for sunny areas in your garden or along fences. However, it's important to note that oleander is toxic if ingested, so it should be planted away from pets and children. Care tips: Water regularly, especially during dry spells, and prune after flowering to maintain shape and encourage new growth. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best plants for fence privacy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!